In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation loop. Creating a presentation that repeats itself can be a handy feature, especially for situations like trade shows, information kiosks, or any setting where your presentation needs to run unattended. Luckily, Microsoft PowerPoint offers an easy way to set your presentation to loop continuously until you decide to stop it. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned PowerPoint user, this guide will walk you through the steps to achieve a looping presentation, ensuring your message gets seen over and over again. Let's begin by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're familiar with PowerPoint, you know it opens to a welcoming screen that displays your most recent documents and offers you the option to create a new presentation. From this opening screen, you'll want to navigate to the file you wish to loop. If your file isn't displayed immediately on the recent list, you can easily find it by clicking on Open, then Browse, and navigate through your computer's file system until you find the desired PowerPoint presentation. Once you've found it, double-click to open. With your presentation open, the next step is crucial, yet simple. Select the video or the slide you wish to loop. If your presentation comprises multiple slides or includes a video you want to play continuously, ensure you've selected it correctly. Selection is key as it determines what element you're setting up to loop. Once you've selected the appropriate content, you'll navigate to the Playback tab. You'll find this tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. That's the toolbar at the top of the screen where all the action happens. The Playback tab is specifically designed for adjusting settings related to video and audio content within your slides, making it an essential area for customizing how your media plays during the presentation. Within the Playback tab, look for an option labeled Loop Until Stopped. This particular setting does exactly what it says. It will loop your selected video or slides continuously until you manually intervene to stop the presentation. For videos, this means the video will restart immediately after it finishes, and for slides, the presentation will cycle back to the beginning after reaching the end slide. To activate the loop feature, simply click the checkbox next to Loop Until Stopped, ensuring it's marked. Congratulations, you've successfully set your PowerPoint presentation to loop. This setting will apply the next time you play your presentation, allowing it to run in a continuous loop until you decide to stop it. This is particularly useful for unattended displays, where continuously engaging your audience is crucial, such as at a conference booth, in a waiting area, or during a classroom activity. A few things to remember for a seamless looping experience. If your presentation includes transitions and animations, ensure they are set up correctly to maintain a smooth flow as your presentation loops. Consider the timing of each slide. If you're looping a full presentation, and not just a single video, you might want to adjust the duration. Each slide appears on the screen to ensure the content doesn't rush past or drag on too long for viewers. Lastly, always test your looping presentation before the actual event or situation where it will be displayed. This testing phase is your chance to catch any glitches or awkward transitions that could disrupt the continuous loop. In the world of presentations, making your PowerPoint loop is a simple but powerful trick to keep your audience engaged with your content continuously without manual intervention. Now that you know how to set it up, you're ready to create presentations that not only captivate but also sustain your audience's attention for as long as necessary. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're setting up a presentation for a trade show, an educational booth, or even a personal project, you now have the knowledge to ensure your PowerPoint plays on a loop, delivering your message effectively over and over again. Until our next tutorial, happy presenting,